Welcome back to PC Error Detective. In this video, we'll show you how to reset graphics drivers in Windows 10 to fix display issues like screen flickering, black screens, or lag. Step 1. Press the Windows key and the X key together on your keyboard. This opens the Quick Access menu, which gives you fast shortcuts to important system tools. Step 2. Click on Device Manager from the list. Device Manager is where Windows shows all the hardware connected to your PC, including your graphics card. Step 3. Click on Display Adapters to expand the section. This area lists all the graphics drivers installed on your system. Step 4. Click on your graphics driver to select it. This could be an Intel, Nvidia, or AMD driver depending on your computer. Step 5. Click on Disable Device from the available options. Disabling the driver temporarily stops it, which helps reset any glitches or driver-related problems. Step 6. Now click on Enable Device to turn the driver back on. This reloads the graphics driver and completes the reset process, often fixing display issues instantly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more easy Windows troubleshooting guides.